Hey guys, it's Metro, and today we're going to be talking about gear failure on the Appalachian Trail with my Sawyer Squeeze.
Looks like Sawyer has failed me.
So I was quite surprised to see the failure with the Sawyer Squeeze, especially since I'd only used it probably 10 times on the trail. I had backflushed it previously, but on this particular trip, I did not check it before I hit the trail. And that's probably my #1 problem, so always test your gear. Okay, so one of my friends reached out after I got off the trail and said, hey, why don't you try soaking the Sawyer Squeeze in hot water for an hour? So I looked it up online, that's exactly what you're supposed to do. Submerged it for 1 hour, and I was able to backflush the Sawyer Squeeze successfully. Alright, so we're going to backflush the Sawyer Squeeze. So it looks like it's got a little bit of a flow to it, so let's see if it works. Alright, so that's that. So if you found any value in this video, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and send me your comments as I do respond. As always, thanks for watching, but until next time, let's keep moving.